Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Carlos Santiago.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. Carlos, Feliz Navidad.
Hey, Feliz Navidad. One of my people.
Feliz Navidad.
Ba, 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 ba. Jose Feliciano. Great.
Yeah.
Great.
Is he still alive?
Yeah. He's, I don't know what
He's a
what he's
classical
doing.
guitarist, yeah?
He's a guitar, great, tremendous
Is he the guy
guitar
that played
player.
with his feet? No.
No.
That's someone else.
No,
Who played with their feet?
I don't know,
Someone
but he's
played with
Jose
their feet.
Feliciano's
Can
the
you play
blind
with
guy.
your feet?
No.
Oh, that'd be cool.
Yeah.
You should learn to play with your feet.
Yeah. Put it on like
I
Feet Finder.
guarantee, totally. If you're a guitar player and can play with your feet, go on, get a Foot Finders account. You will make so much money.
That's so gross.
But I'm telling you,
But yeah, I'm sure some
it's probably already on there.
That's probably already on there. People are weird.
Who am I lying? It's my favorite account.
Gross. You know what isn't gross? Hitting that subscribe button.
Bam, 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 bam. Guess why else you should hit it? Because it's Christmas time is here.
Yeah. And we're going to watch
Bringing lots of cheer.
Morissette will sing again at her church special, probably by a tree. I don't know. Try to get it to rhyme. Morissette,
so
channel
good.
favorite.
Yeah, channel favorite Morissette today to bring some holiday cheer to us. Shall we just get to it?
Do it.
Let's get to it. Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
There it is. Oh,
What?
this is the Hillsong version of "Oh Holy Night."
Oh, I don't think I've heard it.
Yeah, that's really cool. I've sang this before as in BGVs. Taya used to sing this. She's the one who recorded it. Love singing this.
That would be trippy to sing if you know the original so well, because there's some little different bends in
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Come on, Morissette. So much power.
solo, guitar solo. Oh, they cut it down. Good.
Look how open she is right there.
Yep.
Woo! Chills.
Here we go. There it is. There it is. There's a big guitar solo.
Gosh. Ah. I literally have chills. Wow. Fantastic, Morissette. Fantastic once again. Oh, she said Merry Christmas, and I cut her off. Sorry. Merry Christmas, Morissette.
How rude.
I know. Just epically fantastic, as she always is. What I loved about this version of the song from her, one of the things that stood out to me, other than just the majestic beauty of all of it, the song, her voice, the lyric, this is one of the most classic Christmas songs of all time, as we know. And if you can sing this song and do it well, you get the badge of singer put on your tombstone, because it is a singer song. We've all heard people who can't sing it, and that's not fun. She just crushed it. What I loved about her voice in this, though, is how she would cover a lot of those notes to give it like this rich, thicker, meatier tone. And then on certain words, she would then just a bit and brighten it, and it would release in a different way. That was epically skillful in my point. And made it really interesting and beautiful.
Yeah, I mean, I have a lot of experience with this song. I've sang BGVs for it at church tons of time. Taya from Hillsong United, and then Hillsong, all the Hillsong things. She used to sing this originally, and it's a weird arrangement. And
it is, yeah, it's interesting.
You know, because it just kind of changes some of the things where your brain starts filling in the blanks, and you're like, nope. You know, hard right. But it's really, really cool. And the way that she did it was so masterful. And she changed it enough to still kind of put her own imprint, her own Morissette flair in it. And I just love it. I love it. I love hearing her sing. I love, you know, it was sort of almost subdued in a way, the way that she was singing, because we know what she's capable of. But I think it's super cool. The musicians were great. The videography was really, really cool. I love, you know, the little lights that they had in the background. It just gave it all this kind of a dreamy look that all centered around you focusing on her voice. Yep. You know, so it was just really great.
Yeah, you're right. Totally. Loved it. You all should listen to my version of that too.
Yeah. And mine.
And his.
Yeah. We have a lot of Christmas. He's got a
music.
Christmas record. I've been putting out covers on the weekly. So we're going to put those, you know.
Drop those links on there.
Yeah, we're going to put those links below. Put them, check them out during the season. So, I think you're going to love it.
Yeah. I loved it.
Thanks,
I loved
Morissette.
it. I love Christmas. We
You're
love
such
you
a
guys. We hope this makes your holiday season a little merrier. We're going to have some more eggnog. Do you like eggnog?
I do like eggnog.
I like eggnog too. I
Yeah.
know that's a lot of people don't like
There's some
it.
good one. Purity here in town. Purity,
Like
the
local,
company. Yeah.
Local deli, local dairy.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, eggnog's really good. I like
Yeah.
it. Like it with a little in it, you know?
Oh.
Hey, makes grandma way more fun. Hey, I don't even know.
That's why she got run over by the reindeer.
Hey.
She was drinking too much eggnog.
Yeah, that's it, right? Isn't that what happened? That's the song.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey,
All right.
Merry
next time.
Christmas.
Merry
Until
Christmas.
next time. Merry Christmas, Carlos.
Yeah.
I'm Jason Catrone.
Carlos Santiago.
We're Vocal Lab Collective.